This video teaches you how to remove stubborn blank pages from anywhere in your Word document. Delete a blank middle page. Go to the blank page in your document. It's likely due to an intentional page break or extra paragraph markers that you can't see. Press Ctrl-Shift-8. This displays paragraph markers. If there are any page breaks on this page, you'll see them marked by dotted lines and the word page break. Look for a small black square next to a paragraph marker. If you see a paragraph marker with a black square beside it, the paragraph has the page break before setting turned on. You'll want to turn this off. And to do so, click the Home tab. Right-click the paragraph marker that has the corresponding black bullet point. Select Paragraph on the menu. Click the Lines and Page Breaks tab. Remove the check next to Page Break Before and click OK. Highlight the paragraph marks or page break lines with your mouse. Hit the Delete key. This should delete all the paragraph marks and page breaks, which should delete the blank page. If the blank page is still there, double-check the pages before for page breaks. Press Ctrl-Shift-8. This hides the paragraph markers again. Deleting a blank last page. Go to the blank last page in your document. Press Ctrl-Shift-8. This displays paragraph markers at the beginning of each blank line, as well as at the end of every paragraph. Since you have a blank page at the end of your document, you'll see at least one paragraph marker on that page. Delete all the paragraph markers on the blank page. Deleting all of them will usually get rid of the blank page. Try that first. If there's only one paragraph marker left at the top of the page, deleting it won't help. If so, change the font size of the paragraph marker to 01. Click Home, highlight the paragraph marker, click the font size next to the font's name, replace it with 01, and press Enter. Press Ctrl-Shift-8. This hides the paragraph markers again, which should delete the blank page. If you still have a blank page after this, you can reduce the size of the bottom margin instead. To do this, click the Layout tab, select Margins, click Custom Margins, and change the bottom margins to 3 inches. If you still have blank page at the end of your document after fixing hidden end paragraphs, you can omit the last page when saving your document as PDF. Click the File menu and choose Save As. Select PDF as the file format. Click Options or More Options. Click the radio option next to Pages. This allows you to select a range to include in your PDF. Enter the page range minus the last page. Click OK, then save the document. This saves your document as PDF minus the blank page at the end.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.